So jumping in, I'm using Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is volume 3. I'm using the first matte shade in here. And again, this came in my Boxycharm. And even the matte shade, I'm like, come on, where's it at? Give it to me. And it's just not happening. I'm digging this brush hard into the pan. And I'm like really barely seeing any payoff. You guys can see there was like none. So then I took this deeper shade. And this is like a deep bronzy shade. Well, that's kind of what it looks like it's supposed to be. And I put it on my eye. And it just looks a little shiny. It doesn't look glowy. It doesn't look shimmery. And I don't see the deep bronze on my lid like you see in the pan. So then I thought, okay, let me try to spray it. It's still not showing up. It literally just looked like my lid is kind of wet or something, or like I put some oil on my lid, which is fine. I mean, it's really, really natural and nude kind of looking, but it doesn't look like the same color in the pan. So that's why I was disappointed. And I'm taking that pearl shade and I'm putting it on my upper brow bone to kind of highlight, make my eyes look a little brighter. It does look pretty on my lid, I guess, but if you have darker skin, I feel like it would not show up for you at all whatsoever. And like I said, I really, really had to dig deep to get a lot on to my lid to get that like true payoff. Then I'm taking the new Benefit roller liner. This didn't come in my Boxycharm, but I wanted to try it out since it is new. And I really, really, really like this liquid liner a lot. I like the formula, but what I like the most about it is the ballpoint at the very end of it. It makes it really easy to get into your inner corner. Then I'm taking this Bright Eye. It's my first time I ever used that too, and I felt good about it. I really liked how it looked, and I kind of lasted a pretty good amount of time too. So then I'm taking the darkest brown, and I'm putting it under my eye, and I'm like, where the fuck are you at? Why are you not showing up? And I'm getting frustrated because I wanted to do like a really smoky, beachy, exotic type of look, and honestly, it ended up being more of like an everyday natural type of wear, which is fine, but it wasn't what I was going for. And if you're spending $34 for a palette, I want to see those colors. Also, I just put on the new CoverGirl mascara, and I really, really like it. This is their active mascara, and I love the wand. It's perfect for your under, lower lashes. If you have none, it hits it really good. All right, so here's my finished makeup look. I have the Tarte on my eyes. Honestly, I feel like you can't even see it. And the reason I decided to come in here was because I wanted to see what it looked like without my big ring light and see if it made a difference in just like natural sunlight, because I'm standing next to my window. But you guys tell me, I really cannot see it. Like I said, in the palette, I thought it looked like really pretty and nice, but when it went on my skin, it was just like, where's the shimmer and the shine? Because maybe I'm missing it, but I don't see it. And so I'm just not impressed with this palette, which makes me really sad because in my favorites palettes, like my old school favorite palettes, I have the one like mermaid shimmery. It's got all like the crazy colors in it, and it's so beautiful, so pigmented. So I don't know where they went wrong with this, but I can't even imagine if you have darker skin and you pick that up, because it will definitely waste your money. It's just, but not a fan. I'm sorry. I give it a thumbs down, but let me know what your guys' thoughts on it if you got the same palette as me. I love you, and I'll see you soon.